Hey guys, it's Robbie here, and this is FrekiFitWolf and day 6 of FrekiFitVember. Good morning and happy Friday. So first of all, I do want to apologize for the video yesterday going up so late. I had it uploading between the two jobs, between work and doing my friend's hair, but it didn't finish uploading before I had to leave. So I had to hit upload when I got home, which was, I should have. There is a way that while it is uploading, you can make it just publish after it's done. I thought I had done that and I did not. So honestly, after a while, I was like, I'm surprised I haven't gotten any comments yet. And then I get home and I'm like, oh, well, that's because it's still hanging out here waiting for me to hit publish. So sorry about that. It was a very, very long day yesterday, and I did not officially work out yesterday. I will say that between, working two jobs, I'm calling doing my friend's rainbow hair a job. But between doing all of those, because I was there until like 10 o'clock at night. So between two of those, I will say that is at least more activity than my body is used to. So I'm counting it, even though it was an official workout. But it was a very, very long day. I'm happy with the way the hair came out. She loved it, which is the most important part. But it was like 5 hours worth of work, and my body is not having it today. My back is pretty angry. I took a muscle relaxer this morning so that I can, survive through work without, having to call in. So that's fun. But I have to say, despite it hurting, it's not hurting as bad as it has in the past. So I don't know if maybe it's getting stronger, or if just, it just happened to not be hurting that bad. I want to mentally say that my back is getting stronger and can handle things a little bit more, especially because doing hair at home, especially, that much, because like I said, every single hair is going to be in a foil and different colors, and we're with at-home chairs, so none of them are exactly the right height as far as being able to pump up where I need or whatever. Even shampooing was complicated. We worked it out, and like I said, the finished result is great. Their wedding is Saturday, and I'm so happy for them. But yeah, it's a lot on the body. It really is. I almost thought that I was gonna have to have her fiance shampoo her for me, or at least conditioner, because I was going through and rinsing. You have to rinse each individual foil out with cold water, and then go through and condition. I thought I was gonna have to make them do that, but I made it through it. I powered through. But yeah, so today it's Friday. It's day 6 of FrekiFitVember. I do have plans to get active today. I am on my way to work. What I am active with will be determined by how my back feels after work, because this is going to be after work that I do that. I know this morning, like I said, my back wasn't feeling it, and my body was all sorts of stiff, feeling like I got hit by a Mack truck. I don't know, probably not that bad. That sounds pretty painful. But it was very stiff and very, whatever. So, I find myself now in the shower, doing these yoga stretches, and that really did help my back, too. Especially there's this one where you slightly bend your knees, or as much as you need to bend your knees, and then lean all the way forward and just kind of hang. And then you kind of cup your arms together like I do Majini style, but you're, dangling them, and you just kind of rock. And I can feel that stretch my back, and especially the lower back, and that helped a lot. And then I'm doing other stuff, and they're like, I'm trying to balance on one leg and lift the other one up as close to my chest as I can. And again, that's just pulling and stretching. And after I got out of the hot shower and doing that, definitely the stiffness got a lot better. But still my neck for some reason, well, I mean, I understand the reason. I mean, I'm looking down doing, hair and stuff. So it makes sense. But yeah, we'll see how today goes at work. And then, like I said, I will do some sort of exercise today, whether it be any of the things that I do. Like I've been doing a lot of yoga, and on average, I'll do the Planet Fitness videos or some strength training, like kind of freestyle with my resistant band. So we'll see which one I actually fall into. And I also have to record the tag video, which I don't even know who I'm tagging yet. Only bad thing about when I get tagged later in the week is I don't know who to tag, and I don't necessarily love tagging the same people all the time. I don't know if everybody loves doing them, all that fun stuff, all that type of stuff. I don't know. Either way, yeah. Oh, and also yesterday, food went well. I planned it out, so I cooked. I was home for an hour and a half between the two things. And so I cooked. I did make rice with veggies and fried it. And that was very, very delicious, by the way. But I made enough so that I could have it later that evening too. And believe me, I'm glad I did, because I was very hungry after I got done doing our hair, and I was tempted to go through McDonald's. It crossed my mind. I even looked it up on the app. Okay, calories and points wise, can this match up to what I have at home? And definitely not. Rice and veggies obviously is going to be a lot less calories, a lot less points than what McDonald's would be. So luckily, because of that, I did not fall down that rabbit hole, and I'm proud of myself for that. So pat myself on the back. Yeah. So, and today I don't know what I'm eating yet. I don't know. I really should plan things out. I'm running low on stuff in the refrigerator, so it's basically all I have is kind of rice, chicken, vegetables. Oh, and actually I'm running really low on vegetables. And yeah, and ramen. So I guess I would need to go to a store today if I want something different. We'll see. I'll figure it out. But that is all I got for now, and I'm just kind of trying to think. So I will call it here. Maybe I'll record something a little bit later. I don't know. But either way, comment. Let me know what activities you're doing. I love that you are participating. It is so great. Walking, strength training, treadmill people, bike people, all kinds of stuff. I'm loving hearing. And it's encouraging me to, keep my backside active. I don't know why. It feels weird to say my butt active. So backside. Anyway, I said it anyway. So, comment, subscribe, share, all that. Yeah. Bye.